Okay, left rear sliding door says it's open, and as you can see, it's closed. So that annoying beep goes on the whole time you drive. Now let me show you how to fix that. Okay, so let's look here. On the inside of the sliding door, there's a small little button with a Phillips screw. You can take this screw out and replace this whole piece. So I took off this little nub right here from one of these racks that you can get from Home Depot. They sell those separately. I got this little nub here from that rack shelf, and I put it on there, and now it's got enough, the door has enough meat on it to hold it down and close. So let's check it out. Okay, now I'm going to open that door. You'll see it open. Now this time when I close it, it'll stay closed. Okay, so I hope that fixed your problem. It fixed my problem. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up and have a good day.